What damages are you entitled to under the Jones Act? Let's talk specifically about the various categories of damages you're entitled to under the Jones Act if you prove liability on behalf of the employer and if that liability, that negligence, was the cause of your injuries. You're entitled to general compensatory damages. Those are easy to calculate. When I say easy, usually we have an expert involved, an economist, to compute your wage loss. If you're totally incapacitated, those are your damages, for your wages in the past as well as in the future for not being able to perform any type of work. On the other hand, you may be able to move from being a deckhand or a cook or a pilot or a maid on a boat to some other lighter form of occupation where you're able to perform, but as a result, not make as much money. So the difference in that, both in the past and in the future, is something that we have economists to calculate and are an element of your damages. Naturally, the second element of your damages is medical expenses, both past medical expenses as well as any future medical expenses that a doctor says that you're going to have as it relates to this specific injury. And then the other categories of damages are not so easy to calculate, but they include pain and suffering, disability, and disfigurement. So those are the elements of damages, and depending on the particular circumstances of your case, depending on the specific circumstances of your injuries, the testimony and opinions of your doctor are going to dictate what that amount of money is.